125. Hey, 125. How does this thing sound right here, buddy? Tempo. Alright. Yeah, I backed everything down right there. Alright, I'm back in the rap. Hey, T-Bird.
Sounds a whole lot better now.
20 out there. Sounding all kinds of loud and proud here around Brooklyn. Around the Flatbush Avenue section of Brooklyn there, Roger. Bird. T-Bird, you hear this barefoot cold down.
Sounds a whole bunch better in this gate, that's for sure.
Ground, Temple. Low to the ground, Hey, low to the ground. You up to the barefoot is 2,000. I can't hear somebody call us here, bro. I hear that barefoot. Come on, T, man. I'm getting on out of here, man. Come on, T, man. I'm just on this barefoot. 2,000 right there with a stop, right? Take care, low to the ground. Skyhawk, the Joe gone, and the 2,000 is out. Bye, Skyhawk. You and your 2,000, you back out. Skyhawk, me and this 125, big train, 5 element. Get down. God, man, boy, I got it on. That's it. Your 5 element is my 5 element. I'm going to sit back and read the mail in the wire. I'm back quiet too. Bye. And just like that, everybody's back quiet. Bye.
It all started with me throwing chump change or cold cash.
Oh, for sure. 575, Brooklyn, New York. Back quiet also. What's going on there, 127 Pistol Grip?
For some reason, my station does a little more down here than up there, and my dead key is about 100 watts higher down here, and I don't like I don't like that kind of dead key rocking out my shit.
Yeah, Temple. I mean, I keep mine at 75.
I'm like bringing this past 8, man. It should dead key at 9.
Yeah, I like my station dead key, and it's between 60 and 75. That way, you're doing a lot more than me. That way I get myself a 360, 375 watt swing.
Yeah, but it says don't take it past 8 in the manual and the company specs, but yet the grid is nowhere near the maximum grid level, and it's still dead key at 9.
Yeah, so listen, that thing will be here on Tuesday. I'll open it up, I'll take pictures for you, and then I'll send them to you, and you let me know what you want to do.
I think I got something you want it ready for in really nice shape.
For real?
Well, if you're looking for a new digital Cobra 29LX with a digital display, I got one that's, I should be done with it by morning as far as the alignment goes.
Alright, we'll think about it. Simple.
Yeah, partial trade thrown in. We can work something out.
Yes, sir. I'm going back to watch this booth too. Catch y'all later. Oh, Skyhawk 10-7.
Good gate, Skyhawk, good gate. It's just got released on the Pistol channel. I'm going to label it the Sky Squawk Talk Show, and I'm going to put it up on JD's.
You going to list it as what? Hey, Pistol Grip, you going to list it as what? Is that local? No, I mean, what are you going to list it as?
I got to put the title for it before I put it on JD's. So let me type the title and get it up on JD's. It's already available on the Pistol channel right now, though.
And what is it called on the Pistol channel?
I didn't put the title in yet. It's going to be Skyhawk's Talk Show. It's 12 minutes and 8 seconds.
Oh, okay. No, I didn't hear what you said. You said it so fast, I didn't even understand.
No, I heard what you heard, too. That's why I started laughing. I was choking off.
Okay, all right, no problem. All right, me and this IMAX is back quiet. He's coming out of back. Hey, Cold Cash, what you got, mate? Cold Cash, wanna know where y'all at?
Trent, try and get a clip of this.
In these deep waters of Coney Island. Hey, T-Bird, you smoking in Coney Island. Take care of Trinitron 9, the man with the cornbread. Got that? Oh, yeah.
You got that gate rolling?
Got me for low to the ground. Trinitron 125, getting down. Right on 125, you want me to give T-Bird a piece of this cornbread? Got it on 125, low to the ground. Sounding real good in these deep waters. Take care, 125, T-Bird and all the good time gang. Your friend out here in Coney Island just got down. And give him a life jacket because he can't swim. So I don't want him coming across. I don't want the wall coming in cornbread because I don't want him to drown while I try to eat his cornbread. Try low to the ground, get down. Rocking on. Give him a life jacket because he can't swim. I'll do all that, man, because I want him to be saved. I got the bread of life in my hand. Take it low to the ground, 125, T-Bird and all the good time gang. Your friend out here in Coney Island just got down. Yeah, because he's trying to swim in deep water. This could be treacherous, and I want to ever to my good friend while he trying to eat that cornbread. He trying to eat that cornbread and swim, it ain't gonna work. Trinitron 9, low to the ground, get down. Got it all, big brother. It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. We ain't gonna let them drown. We ain't gonna let them perish. We want them to be saved with the bread of life. I got that in my hand. I walk with mine. I talk with mine. Take care, low to the ground. Your friend, Trinitron 9, got all the way down.
That video game rolling, Trent?
Let T-Bird know the only reason why you heard what you heard because I didn't say a word. Tell T-Bird the only reason why you heard what you heard because low to the ground didn't say a word, 410. Low to the ground didn't say a word. That's why I heard what I heard. That's a 1, 2.
Oh, I got the second video gate running. Don't worry about who here and what. I got the second video gate running.
Low to the ground. I just got down. 410. I didn't want to get it twisted. You heard it. But I'm in the condition. Go ahead on, do what you gotta do. Finally, let a Trinitron 9 low to the ground with this sound, get down. Fly low to the ground with that sound. And I heard you say you're losing conditions out there, no doubt about it. Trinitron 9 still rocking and rolling, still sticking and moving, bumping and grinding, shaking and baking. The man with the cornbread, got down.
Yo, you got that gate rolling?
Let me get it back, man. I'm shutting this junk off, man. I done did enough for the day on this Cal making it. Well, yesterday, because it was officially another day. I done did enough, man. Take care of Trinitron and T-Bird to stay up. Got it all, and the video gate don't lie. I got it all, and the video gate don't lie. Yo, take it easy, take care. The video gate don't lie. The man in the deep waters of Coney Island, got down.
I'm gonna post this video gate, the one I'm making right now, up in your script section. The one they're waiting for is on JD's right now. The Sound King is clear.
I want to see my money. I'm low to the ground, checking my numbers on your video gate, get down. Well, the video gate don't lie. Low to the ground, T-Bird, and whoever else out there. It is what it is. The video gate don't lie. The man with the cornbread, eating cornbread, right? This water out here in Coney Island just got down. Are you gonna put it on YouTube? Is it on YouTube? Hey, Trinitron, can I find that video gate on YouTube?
It's on JD's Watergates. I got it on JD's Watergates. It's on JD's Watergates right now, your 127 club.
JD's shit. I'ma check JD's room. I'ma check JD's room. Hey, Trinitron 9. I will check JD's room. Bye. Hey,
Hope I get a grip on this Killer Blow, man. I think I got a skosh too high, man. This is Killer Blow, so I'm concerned about the audio quality. I'm clear.
Cause I hear my tag team partner out here. I'm gonna take a pause for the cause.
Well, yeah, take a pause, because I want to get on that video game with this right here, man. I think when I retuned it earlier, I gave it a little skosh too much watts, so I'm concerned about the audio.
Yeah, do your thing.
Yeah, I'm just checking this Killer Blow right here, this Killer Blow. Checking this here, cruise control. And I'm working that Jake Bray mode right there, But this is what I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about this right here, this Killer Blow mode right here, the max out stage 3. I'm going.
Got it all, you said it all. I got it all, you said it all. I'm about to cut the video gate, and we know the video gate don't lie. Trinitron 9 walking and talking in these deep waters of Coney Island with a piece of cornbread just got down.
Well, if I have never told you before, I love you. I love you for coming out tonight. I'm clear.
Yeah, boy. Hello, Church. 404 Mobile getting up. 404 Mobile getting up, waving a hand right there, right now. Hey, 404, come on now. Let's get it on. Let's get down. I'm just trying to work this movie out about 2 years in a parking spot, man. So I'm going to kill a little bit of time and I'm going to go back and see if I can get me a spot, man. But right now I'm going to work this mobile for about an hour. Roger.
I'm going to put the second video gate on JD's as well, man. And it'll be up there probably before the sunrise. The first one's up there. Your pistol bang, I'm clear.
Check 4. Take your 404 and your mobile out there. 404, your friend Trinitron 9, get down. Right here, man. Right here. Trinitron right here, man. I said I was gonna line this mobile up your way for a second, man. I told Wings line it up this morning just a little bit, man. Here I come, Trinitron 404 getting up. Alright, my brother, 404, take it easy, take care. I'm gonna cut the video game right there. 404 and all the good time gang. Yes, it is the man with the cornbread in his hand. Trinitron 9 is my name. Walking on what is my game? Yes, again, I'll tell you the same. Take care, bye. Waving a hand there, Trinitron 9, 575 over here by